How to dropship from eBay to Amazon. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to start dropshipping from your eBay account to your Amazon seller account. So it's a very easy and simple process. Just make sure to watch this video till the very end because I'm going to answer all your questions regarding dropshipping using your eBay account to your Amazon account. So are you just starting your dropshipping journey and don't know where to start? Or are you just unsure about which suppliers can give you the best price? Or do you have any questions about where to launch your dropshipping business? So don't worry about it, because in this video I will going to answer all those questions about the queries that you have regarding dropshipping, and will going to answer all the questions about how you will be able to dropship from your eBay account to your Amazon account. So when it comes to dropshipping, so dropshipping is also known as the product sourcing or having a third party deliver orders on your behalf. It is a popular way to start a business without big investment or without buying any stock from your suppliers, and work with them to send items directly to your buyers without even handling them yourself. So dropshipping is also allowed on eBay if you own the item prior to listing or have an agreement with a wholesaler supplier to list and sell their item. A user agreement for another retailers or marketplace does not fulfill this requirement. So if you use dropshipping, you will still responsible for the safe delivery for the item within the time frame stated in your listing, and for the buyer's overall satisfaction with their purchases. As long as about the seller who is not allowed to list any item that is not in their possession on eBay as a premium, or even cannot purchase the item from other retailers or marketplaces that ship the item directly to their customer. This create multiple bad buyers experiences, which is not the eBay's first criteria. So basically there are certain criteria that you have to be fulfilling in order to start your eBay dropshipping journey. So a seller who is using third-party fulfillment to deliver inventory their own, as long as the following conditions are met: they are clearly identified as the seller, all packaging, ships and invoices. They ensure the safe fulfillment of their items within the terms stated in their listing, and they should also ensure the third party provider is subject to a contractual condition which prevents them from using or sharing on any eBay order information for any other purpose other than the fulfillment of the specific eBay orders. A seller who is selling items that are fulfilled by a third party wholesaler, when they have an agreement with such a wholesaler to sell specific items prior to the listing on eBay as well. And now of course there are some pros and cons about the dropshipping as well. And now let's see how we can start the reseller on using your eBay account to your Amazon account. Basically, first of all, just simply come to your eBay account, and over here you can see there are so many different categories and products that are listed on the eBay official website. So for example, you want to buy products and sell products basically for some category. So you need to first do your product research correctly. By product research, I mean that you have to select the product which is in demand and which can generate you a huge revenue, so that you can earn some profit benefit out of it while making your end meets, and while not making any losses. So for that, and if you don't want to make any losses, just make sure that you're doing your product research quite well, because this is the one factor that will going to determine your success in your dropshipping business. Because as a beginner, if you don't want to make any losses, and if you make losses in the beginning, you might lose your enthusiasm and your positiveness in the beginning itself, and this will be very difficult for you to sustain in long term. So in order to do your product research, I have a simple technique for you to follow. So if you come to your eBay account, you can see that on the top of the menu there are so many different categories listed over here, like electronics, motors, fashion and arts, sport, health and beauty, industrial equipments, home garden, deals and sale. You can also shop by categories by clicking on the category section right here, and there are so many different categories that you can select from. So you can see there is fashion, there is auto part and accessories, toys and hobbies. There's so many different categories. Basically you can go in any particular category or niche as per your liking. But my recommendation for you too would be go to the daily deals section over here, which you can see right beside the help and contact section. Just simply tap on it, and over here you will be able to see the daily exciting deals on the eBay platform. And there are so many deals over here, and what you have to do is just simply explore this particular feed and just see which are the product that are getting trending and getting more views from the people who are buying these products. Because if you see these products closely, when people buy them, because they are in trend, and people are buying this out of curiosity and getting inspired by their surrounding. So simply just explore these products and try to select your niche or your product preference from these products only, because they will going to last you forever, and because they are in trends and they are in popular demand, so you will be able to earn some profit out of it, because people are going to buy these products anyway, because they are in trend and they are in demand as well. So for example, you are dealing in the fashion category and you like these denims which are from Levi's. Just simply click on it and explore the size categories, the colors and all the other things. Just see what all the colors that are there available and what all sizes you will get and everything, and just select the kind of product that you would want to buy. You don't have to buy the denims only. I'm just showing you as an example that you can take this one as well. And once you have decided that which product that you would want to resell on your Amazon account, basically as a seller, just simply select these products and make sure to buy the huge inventory for the product itself beforehand. And if you don't want to do that, just simply download the image from the in the image itself. Just simply click on as image, save image as, and just get the product image over here in your device. And after that, again search for the different products, and like that just simply select 2 or 3 products, or maybe you can go ahead and select 10-20 products as of your choice, and just simply see what all product that you would want to sell. You can go for books, you can go for children toys and their accessories, kids sections, their clothes and shoes, or any other category that you would want to deal in. And simply as soon as you select the product that you would want to sell in your Amazon account as a seller, just simply download the images and all the description and the details of the products. And after that you have to decide the price of the product. So basically, for example, if you see that there are so many products who are on the discount right now, so for example, this particular MacBook right here, which is for like 1,199, and the eBay is selling is for $719. So it is on huge discount, which is 40% discount already. So you can take up to like 20% discount on this and list this particular MacBook on your Amazon seller account to get some profit out of it, right? And after that, just simply go to your Amazon seller account, and after that just simply log into your account, and you will be able to see this particular interface right here. Just simply click here to add products, and after that you just have to enter the keyword of the product or the title or description of the product that you are selling. And on the next tab you have to enter the image that you have just saved of the product that you are selling using your eBay as a reseller, and just add the picture over here and add the product ID, blank form and other details, and click on start, and list all the products that you have selected from your eBay account after doing all the research, and just list all the products on your Amazon seller central. And yeah, just as soon as your product gets started selling, you will be able to earn some commission on that, and you can start your journey right there. So this is basically how you will be able to dropship from eBay to Amazon. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.